system currently has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. However, for a long time, humans have looked up at the sky and wondered if there might be any planets beyond Neptune's orbit. Beyond Neptune's orbit lies a vast space, extending to about 44 astronomical units, from the Sun, equivalent to 6.6 billion kilometers. When surveying objects in this region, scientists noticed that some dwarf planets and icy bodies tend to cluster in specific orbits. This is strange. They predicted that there must be an object with a gravitational field strong enough to cause anomalies in their orbits. Many people call this mysterious object the ninth planet of the solar system. S video, let. Without keeping you waiting any longer. Now, let's get started. The ninth planet is known as a hypothetical planet in the solar system, meaning it has not been named, confirmed, and scientists are not even sure if it is a planet. Or perhaps it is a black hole or some other mysterious object. But whatever it is, if it exists in the solar system, we truly want to find it. In January 2015, astronomers at the California Institute of Technology published a study detailing the ninth planet. According to them, the ninth planet could be a super-Earth. It would have a radius 2 to 4 times that of Earth and a mass 5 to 10 times greater. In terms of orbit, it would have an elliptical orbit around the Sun with an eccentricity of 0.2 to 0.5. Its orbital semi-major axis ranges from 400 to 800 astronomical units. The distance is 60 to 120 billion kilometers. 13 to 26 times the distance from Neptune to the Sun. At this distance, the ninth planet would take 10,000 to 20,000 years to complete one orbit around the Sun. The orbital inclination of the ninth planet is predicted to be about 15 to 25 degrees relative to Earth's orbital plane. At aphelion, it would lie in the direction of the Taurus constellation. While at perihelion, it would be located in the southern region of the Ophiuchus constellation. These specific numbers do not mean there is definitely a new planet in our solar system. The existence of this mysterious world is only theoretical, and there have been no direct observations of the object. So, what do scientists base their predictions of the ninth planet's existence on? In 1846, shortly after the discovery of Neptune, the eighth planet of the solar system, it was speculated that there must be another planet beyond its orbit. The existence of a distant planet was thought to have influenced the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. Subsequently, a widespread search was conducted. By 1930, Pluto had been discovered. Initially, it was classified as the ninth planet of the solar system. But later, it was determined to be too small to be a standard planet. Thus, in 2006, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. After the Voyager 2 spacecraft's flyby of Neptune in 1989, the discrepancy between the predicted and observed orbits of Uranus was determined to be due to the previously inaccurate mass used for Neptune, rather than any mysterious planet. But later, when scientists observed the mysterious region beyond Neptune's orbit, they discovered strange celestial bodies named Sedna. These are large celestial bodies not significantly influenced by Neptune's gravity, yet they have highly flattened elliptical orbits. This is an anomaly. Many scientists speculate that Sedna objects collided with a giant celestial body, not any known planet. This is what created their unusual orbits. Some Sedna objects have elliptical orbits so flattened that their perihelion is only about 76 astronomical units from the Sun. But their aphelion is as far as 937 astronomical units That is the celestial body 90,377 Sedna. With this anomalous orbit, the celestial body takes about 11,400 years to complete one orbital cycle. Although there is suspicion that Planet 9 influences Sedna objects, scientists have not yet been able to find it. At a conference in 2012, scientists proposed that an undiscovered planet might be responsible for the strange orbits of some ETNOs. These ETNOs share peculiar common characteristics. They tend to approach the Sun most closely in the same region, and have similar orbital inclinations. These commonalities can be caused by a celestial body with strong gravitational pull, and that could be Planet 9. By 2014, astronomers had noted similarities in the orbits of Sedna objects and some other ETNOs. They proposed that an unidentified planet with a circular orbit from 200 to 300 astronomical units is perturbing their orbits. From 2014 to the present, the idea of Planet 9 has become increasingly popular in astronomy. Scientists are trying to prove the existence of Planet 9 through direct observations with modern telescopes. However, all observations only predict that Planet 9 lies somewhere between 400 and 800 astronomical units from the Sun, equivalent to 60 to 120 million kilometers. At this distance, sunlight is very weak, insufficient for the planet to shine. Therefore, searching for Planet 9 in the visible wavelength is becoming increasingly difficult, even when scientists use infrared wavelengths. For short radio waves, Earth is all the world's most powerful observatories, including James Webb. Planet 9 has still not appeared. Assuming Planet 9 truly exists, how did it form? Scientists have proposed 3 hypotheses about the formation of Planet 9. The first case is very simple: it formed in place. From the early days of the solar system's formation, like other planets, it accreted from leftover debris of the protoplanetary disk, undergoing billions of years of accumulation, becoming the solar system's ninth planet. The second case differs slightly from the first. Initially, it formed closer to the Sun, but was pushed to the outer solar system due to interactions with giant planets, such as Jupiter or Saturn. The third case, Planet 9 might belong to another star system and was captured by the solar system during an encounter between the Sun and another star in the past. If a planet was in a distant orbit around this hypothetical star, the three-body interaction during the encounter could alter the planet's path, causing it to shift into a stable orbit around the Sun. Although Planet 9 is only a theoretical planet, scientists have devoted much effort to searching for this mysterious object. A 2022 scientific study showed scientists analyzed data from the Atacama Cosmology Telescope in Chile. Data was collected from 2013 to 2019. The telescope observed and covered about 87% of the southern sky. The telescope has identified over 3,000 candidates within a distance of 400 to 800 astronomical units. Among those over 3,000 candidates, no object meets the conditions for Planet 9. Therefore, many believe that Planet 9 may not exist. There is also a hypothesis that the reason scientists have not yet found Planet 9 is because it is not a conventional planet. It is very likely a primordial black hole. The gravitational pull from a primordial black hole can also produce similar phenomena, based on what scientists have observed. However, this hypothesis also lacks concrete evidence, as the search for Planet 9 has reached an impasse. A study published in early 2023 has brought new hope. The research results suggest that Planet 9 may have many natural moons. During its orbit around the Sun, it likely captured about 20 natural moons. These moons have diameters of at least about 100 kilometers. If this is true, it would be a great opportunity for scientists to detect Planet 9. They further explain that when Planet 9 has moons orbiting it, they create a strange gravitational effect called tidal heating. This is a phenomenon where gravitational energy from an object is dissipated as heat on two opposite sides. Scientists calculate that at the distant orbit of Planet 9, tidal heating could warm the planet's moons to -280 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately -173 degrees Celsius. Warming. However, compared to the average temperature of empty space, which is about -271 degrees Celsius, this is relatively warm. At this temperature, Planet 9's moons could emit weak radio signals. Scientists believe that with ultra-sensitive radio telescopes, they can detect these faint radio signals. This is considered a new direction in the search for Planet 9 in the solar system. Hopefully, with faith, effort, and persistent searching, we will soon unravel the mystery of Planet 9 in the solar system. What about you? Do you think Planet 9 really exists? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. At this point, this video will take a break. Wishing you relaxing and informative moments. Now, goodbye and see you in the next videos. Farewell. Subscribe to the Gian Migo channel so you don't miss exciting videos.